is fun. So for this project, basically I got data for 3 inverters over the span of 3 months. And then I set up an R pipeline to set up the project automatically. So I am not a fan of RStudio and how they go about their setup. So I went into Visual Studio Code, which is what I know best. And then I sort of wrote out a little pipeline for my whole data processing and data cleanup. So to set up the project, to clean and process the data and remove unnecessary columns, to combine the data and then do a time series processing with a statistical analysis, and then to save some of the data and generate visualizations, because I love data visualization and it's so cool to understand stuff in a visual way. So from this, it can also generate the different types of plots, do a performance comparisons for the different inverters over the months, and then generate a summary report. So in essence, I'm just going to run the main setup because this breaks down the different parts of the project. And if I run that, you will see that my data pipeline is being run through. We're doing the data import. Now we're cleaning the data from the Excel sheet, just removing unnecessary columns that would make our processing complex. Then we do the combination. Statistical analysis is done, and then the visualizations are also created. So for performance summary, there's a bug, I'm going to fix that, but that looks cool. And then the analysis is complete. So if we go in here, we can sort of have a view of the daily metrics or the views of the processed data that's cleaned up. And if you're a professional, you can go clean this up later in Excel for fun. And then there's the fun stuff like the daily energy generation per inverter. There's also visualization on that, how much is done, and also the performance comparison for each of the inverters. And the daily generation, the average efficiency. These I will definitely have to study, and the average max power, and then a power time series view as well. So if you have any experience with this stuff or have a data set which I can analyze, that will be cool. Then I can create sort of like a sample project, then share it on my GitHub repo so that everyone can just reuse it. But yeah, I've also created like a little graph over time. Oh man, this looks cute. But yeah, hopefully electrical engineers can make sense of